Search engines use your URL to find a clue on what your site is about. Remove dates, categories, and any other unnecessary information or symbols from your URL. Add relevant keywords and keep it as short as possible. If you're writing about how to potty train puppies, it wouldn't make sense for that phrase to first appear in the last paragraph of your blog post. The things you begin talking about early on in your content give search engines a quick idea of what your content is covering. LSI, Latent Semantic Indexing, is a fancy way of saying search engines like to see words and phrases related to your target keyword. If you're targeting paleo diet recipes, you should include phrases like weight loss recipes, low-carb diets, and other related phrases. Across all niches, as an average, when your content is at least 1,800 words or more, you have a better chance of being ranked in the top 10 for particular keywords and phrases. Your H1, H2, and H3 tags, header tags, function as your page's sub-headlines. Make sure your header tags include the keyword you are trying to rank for. Your title tag should begin with the keyword that your web page is focusing on. If you're trying to rank for the keyword phrase blood type diet, your title tag should be blood type diet recipes, as opposed to delicious recipes for the blood type diet. This does not directly affect your page ranking according to most search engine algorithms. However, multimedia does keep people on your page longer and also drives user interaction, two important search engine ranking factors. Search engines, especially Google, like to see you participating on the web. This means when you link from your site to popular authority sites relative to your niche, your ranking improves. These tags are also the styles in a WordPress post, so use them for headings and subheadings when you format a post or page. Link from your content to other content on the same site. Internal links are just as important as external links in the ranking process. Add social sharing buttons before and after your blog posts and articles. This makes it easier for people to share your content, which builds backlinks, drives traffic, and gets you noticed by the search engines. Google very rarely confirms any aspect of their search engine algorithm. They've continually and repeatedly pointed out that the faster your page loads, the better as far as your search engine ranking is concerned. If you have a slow site, consider hiring a developer to figure out how to speed it up for you. This is a crucial piece of any search engine ranking algorithm. When you have a lot of inbound links pointing to your site and they come from related pieces of content, you will rank higher for specific keywords and phrases.